Hey guys, so today we are going to know about the nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is a subdivision of heavy atomic nucleus, such as that the uranium or plutonium, into two fragments of roughly equal masses. The process is accompanied by a release of large amount of energy. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of an atom break up into the lighter nuclei. The process may take place spontaneously in some cases or may be included by the existence of the nucleus with the variety of particles, neutron, proton, deuteron and alpha particles, or with the electromagnetic radiations in the form of gamma rays. In the fission process, the large quantity of energy is released in the radioactive products are formed and several neutrons are emitted. These neutrons can induce the fission in the nearby nucleus of the fissionable material and release the more neutrons that can repeat the sequence, causing the chain reactions in which the large number of nuclei undergo fission and enormous amount of water is released. If controlled in the nuclear reactor, such a chain reaction can provide the power for society benefits. It control, as in the case of so-called atomic bomb, it can lead to an explosion of awesome destructive force. The discovery of nuclear fission has opened a new automatic age. Potential of the nuclear fission for the good or evil and risk beneficial ratio of its application have not only provided the basic many sociological, political, economical and scientific advance but grave concern as well. Even from a purely scientific perspective, and the process of nuclear fission has given rise to many puzzles and complexities, and a complete theoretical explanation is not still at hand. History of fission and technology. The term fission was first used by the German physicist Louis Otto French in 1939 to describe the distinguishing of heavy nucleus into the lighter nuclei of approximately equal size. The conclusion that an unusual nuclear reaction can in fact occur was the culmination of truly dramatic episodes in the history of science, and it set in the motion an extremely intense and productive period of investigation. The story of discovery of nuclear fission actually began with the discovery of nuclear in 1932 by the James Chadwick in England. Shortly thereafter, Enrico Fermi and his associate in the Italy undertook an extensive investigation of the nuclear reaction produced by the bombardment of various elements with these underchange particles. In particular, these workers obsessed with observed 1934 that at least 4 different radioactive species result from the bombardment of the uranium with these slow neutrons. These newly discovered species emitted the beta particles were through the isotopes of unstable uranium element of the atomic number 93 and 94 and perhaps higher. In the examining of the properties of these elements, and many radiochemists participated in the studies. These results of these investigations, however, were extremely perplexing and confusing. The persisted in until 1939 when Otto Humphreys and Strassmann in Germany, following the clue provided by Pavlov, in France provide the definitely that so fact radioactive isotopes of the beryllium and lanthanum and other elements in the middle of the periodic table. So ये सारी डिटेल जो है इसके बारे में बताई जा रही है. आप you can stop and read the complete article about the nuclear fission. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. ये complete article जो है इसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है. Thank you so much. Do like, share, subscribe.